Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in again. Today I'm going to show you how to draw eyebrows. For this demonstration I use pencils with different gradients. For example, the pre-sketch, the lighter one, which you see right now I'm sketching, is an HB pencil, and for the darker shadows I use a 4B pencil. The first step we're gonna do is to shape the eyebrow. The key is exaggerate. Try to give the eyebrow a very curvy and wavy style. The second step is to internalize the shape of the eyebrow and to make sure to know the direction in which the hair grows. There are so many variations of eyebrows, maybe thin, thick, bushy, but in this case we're trying to simplify the drawing of the eyebrow in 3 simple steps. Nevertheless, the technique of drawing these eyebrow variations is every time the same. In step number 3, we are trying to add more like of a natural and organic look. For example, show the hairline a bit disheveled. And don't fail by drawing every single hair. You better draw bundles of hair connecting each other. That will give your drawing a more realistic and natural look. I'm grabbing now another tool. It's a 4B pencil. It's way more softer and gives your drawing more contrast. In order to keep the look natural and authentic, we're trying to create bundles, not single hairs, the same way as we did for the pre-sketch. Okay, that's it so far for sketch number 3. Let's see what we have learned. The next step is to draw the eyebrows in a 3/4 perspective. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see another videos like this. Thumbs up if this video was helpful, and please let me know in the comments what content you want to see in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.